and a prayer woman of the Dawson. P, you know, changing. And she be videos of our time, everybody rem. And Tiwunyamba, Facebook, Buremu Osisia, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now, videos of our time, and that video in Naya share and prepare. You win a sap, you be here, somewhere did you on for media so. Kaisa and Ram and Ocean, Komobiase, and that continuation in Beba. Then you may add more, ya conclude the cry. Around the world in 5 minutes. Says Cotton so better than the brain. I get test for so by a coin. Now you're quite near the fillet chat. Now for your way, Musso. 106.3 Adom FM. Your friend Jerry Justice. I wear Papa Bills wa African waha. Jamestown J. Cole so waha. African from Facebook no so from go. And the main Chesa. I was may want message be for you this afternoon. Na baby I will be no said the name ra make no. I don't want you to watch this video alone. They are them review. See me could take him a second job, you know. But still, I say protect him because we need more chance and the immune system. No, we need that. Just out. Say is here. Me never cry. I do me fight him. Yeah, me in the other about. It's just me treat immune system. This some man cause what I read. Cause I do more in a dozen. My bomb there. My shame face mask. Come on. Trust me. Instead of that, no, make no. Video in your video as I say on Kwa or share. Say Utimi any wadofo nyina ehwe sa video na additional day woman. Ye nyina yesua edi free mo. Eno aye videos of our time. Proudly brought to us by the new Infinix Hot 10T. For crab boom. Phone, come on. 6.82 HD plus, a big video gaming display. The battery capacity no so the Joe Janaso 5000 mAh battery capacity. CPU ne woman no so no. Say go yi. And no say wo bo game was so near there and may faster. Pa in breaky near there. Mount Sanka, the new Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 64 gig ROM at only 788 cedis. And now the new Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 124 gig ROM and also a ton of 888 cedis only. But more the amounts and count there and expect more from the Infinix Hot series. Busumi mu. And you can say so bana obetobia. Watch there, yeah, yes, I did my obetmania crossbody bags, sports bottles outdoor, max near HDP now. 84 any chemu. Phone shops outdoor train when she also pet the new Infinix Hot 10T. And yes, answer any accredited Infinix shop be a ben home for baby alcohol for bulk purchase. Infinix, the future is now. After videos of our time, young room na yemfa emeralds is here na yenhwe said the enyema AC echo ever. Baby, I will be joining me on Facebook. Sisia, Adom 106.3 FM. Na Obamodiana Obo room ewa. Pretty simple. Common na ne say ye de etu ye hofo. Makacho videos of our time no. Enye abribia na yebetie asem na ya sresresa ne ade. Etoda ese timi sua bibi film te say na de na the eba besua ne ade bi Ghana ha de very common papa. In the meantime, Bishop General also Mr. Mensa ma how and then so mina Masan Edikai. I love your tree. Ayampa on the wedding Bishop General, I see you. Nelson Aditi, Aditi shoes, Dan Suman Kit Kat, I see you. Veronica Ewedia, I see you as well. Afe Evans, Kwame Aglom. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Lavinia Obeng. Also my home pa. Obiba Kizzy, I see you. Derek Oti, I see you as well. Benis Odro Menu. And then Aviti Esina. Say, Brad Jerry, how are you doing today? By His grace, I'm doing just fine. Abigail Enum. I say good afternoon, Jerry. Hope you are doing well. God bless you for the good work. May I say, Nyame Onsha also. I feel Mickey Clark. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. My name is Papa Kumasi. And Mickey Clark down there. From Tema, today is my birthday, so wish me well. Okay, so happy birthday to you, yeah? May the mighty one bless you. Raindorf Okain. I say, bro, what's up? What's up? And say, videos of our time at Drew. So share with somebody. Okay. When you say sometimes, obi timi eye obi bibi. Na wadi onipa kono ho yaw. Na fe wanya onipa no ho mnasepo. Sometimes onipa kono a ebi kra na udi no ho yaw no, that person might not be aware say ebi kra wa ye obibi. That person is living freely, but now wo de ne ho abufuo ene yawdi ahye wakoma mu. Etu hu nipa no pena dwembone about mu pese unya no kra wo ye ne bibi. I want to share a video with you. Hwe ewiase won. No matter what happens to you, the obi de be ye obia no se obetimi pa anka jamen ka kekeneko na ye free. It is better that way than say wo de obi hu ade be hye omu na wo di hu yaw e wo wakoma mu. Epraw and na wonye obi hu adwembone person ka de onipa no fa kwan bi so na wo pra onipa akona wan kasa na wo wa hye ase fa sa plan no esunsunsan so no ebi ba so. Sometimes I na say you pese you pra obi you pese you di obi awu me I go show am anko obi ni breakthrough time waso ano no obi so timi gina ba bi din kasa kwa we me kire ne pa menim ba bi a me fa me masa opportunity we when you me block no I go blocking chance. Oh boy we me yam ye na di oh me boy I go do am make them sakam. If them sakam then what? Mo amutie mu de obi anka yen ka no krepa. Let's be very 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 honest. Da ben na obi wo company bim obi ni obi ya adwuma na wadi no konkonsa ya ma yi onipa na di na yi na di wi ene so ene say de akwa record de ne salary ne kan de no ebi asida. No way. Ye onipa na di kwatena fia ye mfa ne salary me kan de ho. So why do you do this as a person chena na ye den aya na ye refia de baako. In doing that say person unua ho nche no you forget say you waste time and energy and now there is hard no. And once now yes no it slows down your progress because time when say how they concentrate on other stuff in your life let me wow for you to move on no. You invest that time ni na any energy ni na say o de ye ononko e de abre na se but when you be ba ho so no na won so wo bre wa ho ase Jeko for video no tumpia so sesi a na abra video no e koso no a wo hwe no share e fama onua bi na ono so ehunu asem a ye ka ho asemi onte ase na se be na obenya nte ase yi no I will play the sound na wetie it will show video na utie sound ne ka ho na obenya nte ase ni yipa timpacho se wo access to Facebook nko ade a it is better se obeba Facebook na wa hwe video no wo hu how a hye ase What the bra Facebook video na share no. Watch the video. Now narration kakra na me dem no. Eye oba ne obema na gina ho. Na oba no ekọ. E na obema no pese o stop oba no from going. Tine slippers na ehye no. O tias slippers na chi. Obi ya osa se ontimi ntu nan ko. Je say wa yi slippers na fi okransa. Eti the lady is stuck ontimi nko. E na obema no ne e kasa sisi no look. Say or no air try to stop the lady from going. No. Now he has also stopped himself because the nine or dear see lady slippers no so ama lady ni entimi make him move bia. And because of that, also because honestly na adwin say o make him move be obe release lady no. Sana bitterness etie. We are wondering say you be so bitter about somebody. Effect no comes on you as well. But if you let go, to senka in this situation video ya oshi say o yin na fi lady ne slippers no so na o ma lady no e fan ho di no kwa. Ono so betimi ato aso no akọ ba bi okọ. But in his bid to stop the lady from moving, no, just ono so ka o ba bi ogina ho na. So why do you choose say obetan unua? Why do you choose say obeye onyonko? O de hwe video no, say ne nan esi slippers na chi no. Na eti sa we afutusem na ewo mu no. Me amenka in the man's own words na eti na yento aso nko eni.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you too?
Hey.
Now see, I'm stopping her from moving, and I'm forgetting that by stopping her, I'm also stopping myself. And so both of us are stuck. This is how bitterness deal with people.
Yes.
When you refuse to forgive someone and you're bitter in your heart, you think you're punishing that person, not knowing that you're also punishing yourself in the process.
Yes.
Forgiving someone is not having mercy on someone. It's actually freeing yourself, setting yourself free. Because forgiveness is like setting a prisoner free and later realizing that you are the prisoner. Forgive someone. Release yourself. Because by holding someone, you're also holding yourself and you don't make any progress. Forgive to release yourself.
Yes. That is how it is. Asem na papa na kanu. Eye se obi obi bia. Wo de be che onipa na obi ja amaka. Dan se obesu mu twintwan. Eye wo se upra onipa kono. But at the end no, upra wankasa wo ho bi. Anka wo ja me ko ya. Anka wo call baby. Sana brabo no etie. Abusua ye ba ko yanim videos of our time and edebro no ye na ye nsua bibi emfiri ho. Obi obi bia fa che no why? Jamen kakeke. Emfa so say e chen say wo be so mu den ne twia me ne be twia ma ate. Ete ye na onya ade an. Yo. Yan kan for basima seal ema on. We special seal na yi.